What's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video, and today I got a install for you guys. So I picked this up off Amazon. This is the Mosio, I think that's how you say this name. This is a hard shell case for my MacBook Pro M3, and this is a hard shell case that includes the keyboard cover. So you got another piece of plastic here. This comes with a screen protector. I don't think I'm going to be using this. You get the top half, obviously. There's no vent holes or anything. You get a nice little carrying pouch here. Oh, this is the assortments to clean for the screen. Yeah. You got the little rubber pieces here for the bottom. And keyboard cover. I always start with the bottom piece. You make sure, oh, there's some already on the bottom, so yeah, that's the way that goes on, that front piece there. You just set that in there like so. Okay, so once you get the plastic off this piece, they both seem to be the same. Oops. Just snap that on. So the back should look like this with the vent holes so all the air can come out the same. Just make sure this is snapped down all the way around like that. And that's it. Now you ready to go with that. And then the keyboard cover is next. That just sits right over the top. And there you have it. Now the screen protector, I'm not going to use that. I keep my screen pretty clean. I have one of those Apple cloths for like $20. Really overpriced, but I have one of those, so it's not a problem to keeping the screen clean. But yeah, I wanted to get this on because I use a stand. Let me grab that real quick. So here's the stand that I use, and instead of damaging the computer, once it's in the stand like this, now we're good to go. Just keeping it nice and clean, usable, everything like that, and bam, there it is. So just a quick install, guys. Hard shell case from Mosio, I think is the name of the company that makes this. They do give you a nice little pouch here for the extra accessories that you use. The extra accessories that you use here: screen protector, some extra feet for the bottom of this thing, and a screen protector you can put on, but I'm not going to use that. I'm good. I'm the only one using my MacBook, so there's pretty much hardly any chance of it getting scratched. Not saying it's impossible, but I usually take care of my stuff pretty well. So that's the reason why I picked up this. One last look, guys. You definitely want to keep that open so ventilation can come out of the bottom, out of here, and out of the bottom as well. But yeah, so kind of gives you that dark gray look. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.